Hello and welcome. It's Declan here with another video. And today I'm just on the Finviz platform once again. And in previous videos, I've talked about the American stock market and focused on that. But today I'm just going to show you a feature that's on the Finviz platform. And instead of going into the S&P 500, I've gone into world. So you get the world map, and I just have, for the example of this video, just the one-day performance. So this would be last Friday's performance on each of these sectors. So you can see at the Canadian market, and you can see all the Canadian stocks there and how they've done. Yeah, a fair bit in the green. Mexican stocks, you can check them out as well. And you can check the Brazilian stocks. They're all there as well. And I'll just go on to, sorry, the computer's a bit slow scrolling up and down. I'm recording with Zoom, but it's just a bit delayed. Apologies for that. So it's just a bit, yeah, Irish. So I'm from Ireland myself. So this is a rundown of Accenture PLC and all the Irish companies that are available so to trade, and the United Kingdom as well. And the AstraZeneca, you have Shell, you have HSBC, GSK, all the common ones that we've all heard of. So you can also go on to the Chinese market as well, and you have the likes of Alibaba, you have NIO, and you have the Japanese stock market as well. You have Toyota Motor Corporation, Sony, and yeah, so you can also go on to the Indian, and I wouldn't be familiar with any of these now at all, but they're all there for you if they were on your brokerage platform. It's just a matter of if you have a demo account with your broker, and you can just check to see, type in these ticker symbols or type in the full company name if you know it. And if they don't show up, they're not on your brokerage platform. If they do, they are. So I'm with eToro, and eToro has a very good mix of American and European stocks to trade as well. So you can see Australian as well. There's just a handful here for Australia. Oh, it's quite, oh no, so that's China. Australian, there's a few here. BHP team, and then you have South Africa, and you have what stocks are available there. You have the Israeli market, stock market, you have the Danish, and you have the Norwegian as well. So yeah, they're all there, provided on the brokerage platform. But I just wanted to make you aware of other markets as well as the American. There's lots of excellent companies you can trade within Ireland, the United Kingdom, the Chinese market, the Canadian, Brazilian, Israeli, Denmark, Australia, all them. They're all available, provided they're on your brokerage platform. But as I said, check that out by typing the ticker symbol, and then you'll find out whether it is or not. Or you can just email your broker, or if you can talk to them directly, you'll know if these are available. But so it's the same way as on other videos that I've showed you. You can just drill down into these. You can just click on them, go into their stock market chart, check the daily, the monthly, the 3 months, the year to date, etc., and how their share prices are doing. So I just said I'd make you aware of the world heat map on Finviz, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time, take care. Cheers.